Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 Microcontroller Laboratory. In this video lecture, we shall discuss about a two-digit hexadecimal up as well as down counter. Now, what is a counter? A counter is one which counts uh, the digits basically in a sequential manner. So counters have got lot of applications. Okay, you might have seen in the banks. Okay, so the tokens are generated, and as per the counter, okay, the customers are called, right? So it has got lot of applications. So when we say counters, we have got both up counting as well as down counting. Okay, so in this program we shall implement a two-digit hexadecimal up count. Okay, it means it will start from 00, and the last, the maximum will be FF, because the registers we have is got 8 bit. In down counting, we will start from FF and we will go until 00. The logic is very simple. Whatever the count is there, we will display in some port, say P0. So we will send the count to port 0. So port 0 will display 00H. Then we will increment the counter, and again we will send to port 0 the next count. Fine. So this process will continue unless forever. But the most important is, between the counts we will have some delay. Why should we have delay is because if you don't provide delay, you will not be able to read the counts. Okay, because of the high clock frequency. Okay, so at least the delay should be in such a way we should be able to read the counts properly. Okay, so this, while I simulate, I will show you. Fine. So let us write the program for the same. Fine. So let's write the program. So first I will initialize. So this is for two-digit hexadecimal up counter. So let me initialize accumulator with hash 00H and move port 0 comma hash, sorry, accumulator. So the first count is being moved. After this, as I told, you should call delay. Okay, then the next count you should say increment accumulator, and this thing you have to repeat forever. So sjump repeat. So your repeat will be here. Okay, now the thing is we have to write this delay program. Okay, so the delay program, it is always written between an infinite loop and the end program. Okay, already we have an infinite loop here, so delay you can write here delay. Okay, so I have to introduce some delay. Okay, this will come in detail in module 4. This is software method of introducing the delay. Okay, so I will say move r0 comma hash 0 ffh, and I will write a instruction called NOP. NOP stands for no operation. It doesn't do anything except that it introduces some delay of 1 cycle. Then decrement jump on non-zero r0 comma back 1. So my back 1 will be here. So this delay will simply execute unless r0 becomes 0. But this delay is not enough. It will not give proper delay so that we can read the counts. Okay, so the delay will be very fast. So again, this entire delay, okay, will be repeated again for 255 times. So hash 0 ffh. Again, this will be decremented. Fine. So it is a loop inside a loop. Okay. Again, this loop is repeated to generate more delay. Okay. Now, how do you decide this is based on actually when if you calculate properly, you can introduce a correct number. But since we have not studied how to calculate the delay, so that's why as of now you can note down this delay and you can use the same delay. Okay. So this again decrement jump on non-zero R2 comma B3. So B3 will be here. Okay. And remember the last instruction will always be the return instruction in a subroutine. Okay. So I shall execute this. So let me debug this. Fine. So actually this program you have to run continuously. Single step if you do, it will take lot of time, but for few steps I will show you. So accumulator has been initialized with 0. This has been moved to port 0. So if I go on executing delay, it will take lot of time. So what I will do is I will keep the cursor here and I will select run to cursor line. So if I say run to cursor line, so it will execute the delay subroutine and it will come here. Okay, fine. So it has executed the delay subroutine. Now I will say increment A. Okay, and sjump repeat. And this count I will send to port 0. As you can see, port 0 has got 1. So what I will do is I will simply say run now. Okay, when I say run, can you see the counts 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, and after this 1, 0, 1, 1. So this will continue until FF because this is a 2-digit hexadecimal up count. Fine. Now I will also show you if you don't provide a proper delay, what is the problem? Okay. Suppose say I provide a very less delay, say some 10 and this is some okay 100. Okay, I have reduced the delay. Now see, so this delay is not enough for us to differentiate between the counts, correct? That's why we have to give a proper delay so that we can differentiate between the counts. Okay, so this is 0 FFH in hexadecimal, or if you want to write in decimal, it is 255. So this is 0 FFH. Okay, I hope you understood the role of delay. It was a 2-digit hexadecimal up counter. For 2-digit hexadecimal down counter, you have to start from FFH. And instead of increment, you have to decrement. That's it. So let me compile. Program is for 2-digit hexadecimal down counter. Okay, and let me debug this. Okay, I will directly run the program. For running, you should use F5 or you have to click on this icon. Fine, so you can see it is down counting. Okay, so this will count until it is 0, 0. So this was 2-digit hexadecimal up counter and down counter. Okay, thank you.